if you feel sad and you've come across my video, maybe sometimes it's gonna become better. Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, I opened up a little bit about something that is literally eating me from inside. Not eating, no, about my feelings and about certain things. And if you have anything like this, you can listen to my experience and maybe it's gonna help you out. And let's get started with this makeup look. Really colorful, but with lots of fall vibes. Let's get started. As always, I'm going to go to my NYX primer. This one is my ultimate favorite, and I'm using this for both lids. I'm going to smudge this out with my finger and then set with BB Pink color from James Charles eyeshadow palette. Really beautiful color. You can set it with any other translucent powders or something like that. For my inner corner and outer corner, I used this purple shade, and then I left some space in between for my shimmers. Then I went to this softer but pink shade to smudge out with my purple color, and I try to use it a little lower than my crease. And of course, with the BB Pink color, I try to diffuse and blend everything out, and I went to this technique back and forth because I wanted this makeup look to look blended as much as possible. And of course, I used this navy shimmers for the center of the lid. Love it, it's so pretty, but I use my wet brush. You can wet it with a beauty blender. And of course, I did not forget that we use a little bit of this baby blue color for my center of the lid. I didn't like how it looked, so I went back with the same blue color a little bit later. Obviously, you can see I go back to my blending technique a lot, and it's just really important if you want to look well blended. I used my black liner from Catrice and left some space in between, as I did with shimmers, for my different color shimmer shade from the same Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette. And I didn't like, I told you right at the beginning that I didn't like the combination of this baby blue color. That's why I added a little bit more of this navy blue shade. Of course, I did not forget about my lower lid, and for my brow bone, I used some shimmers, rosy color. I coated my lashes with mascara, and that's pretty much done. For my lips, I used the combination of both colors, super dark and super bright. I love this combination. It's Maybelline, sorta, kinda, I don't know, matte color. Do not like it because it's too dry, but with the lip gloss, it's almost perfect. Looks so cool and gorgeous. Look at that. It looks like liquid gold. Love it. We're gonna start with the bottom, my jeans. I lost some weight, that's why I might look a little weird in this area, but I'm not gonna buy some new jeans because I lost some weight. I'm gonna put on this really cool shirt underneath. That's gonna be the base, and I'll tuck this in. I have my secret weapon. This is a dupe of Selena Gomez sweater that she wore. I'm gonna post it somewhere here so you can see that. Now I have this really cool boots that I showed you a couple of times on my channel. I have my leather coat, and I have like red bag. This is my option number one, or maybe this one. You can wear it with a red bag or with black bag. Depends on, guys. I love it with red, but in case I'm not going far, I'll probably grab this tiny black bag and go. So what do we think? Love it either way. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I know it's a little bit extra, but we are officially entering the Halloween season. So no, it's not a Halloween makeup look. Yeah, it's just my get ready, and I love the outfit, I love the makeup look, I love everything actually about this look, and I love the combination of these lips and these eyes. And I really want to fool you guys with my attitude that I'm so happy and positive, but I've been trying to do something for such a long period of time, and I've been searching for that for a long period of time, but it's not happening to me. I don't know if it's some sort of like universe joke or something. So yeah, I'm really positive on camera, but I'm definitely a little, not even depressed, but sad inside, and I feel like I had so much hope for some certain things to happen in my life, but they didn't happen and they're not happening. And I went to an astrologist and she told me that everything's going to be fine and everything's going to be done by a certain period of time, that it didn't happen to me. So, yeah. I don't know if it's fall and the weather is changing, or maybe it's just me, but I want to let you know that sometimes it's okay to feel sad and it's okay to feel like that you're probably stuck. It's okay to relieve those feelings. I really want to believe in manifestation, but I don't really think it's working for me, at least. And it's not about, positive thinking. It's basically about certain things that if it's meant to happen, if it's meant to be, it's going to happen. If it's not meant to happen, then it's probably not meant to happen. And you have to relieve these feelings. You have to leave these feelings. And then maybe just let it go. And, yeah. Yeah, that is the main reason why I don't really want to fool you anymore. Not even fooling you guys, but telling you that everything's perfect and great and hello, and I'm so happy and I'm always smiling. No, I don't. I have my own anxiety attacks. I have my own problems, fears. I know that there are like people in need and people that need support, and they have a lot of problems and they're homeless and they have nothing to eat and they're like poor people. And I know that I'm not even trying to compare myself to them, but at the same time, I am a human, and sometimes it's okay to allow myself and to allow yourself to experience bad feelings and sad feelings as well, even if you're not in super bad condition, in super bad situations. You just don't really have to make something crazy out of it. Something that you see, it's the reflection of what I feel right now. Moody, extra, dark, but still pretty. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope it supported you in some way. If you feel sad and you've come across my video and you have pretty much similar feelings and situation, then just, I want to let you know that maybe sometimes it's going to become better. Still, I haven't overcome my fears, but I hope that it's just gonna go away later when I work on them. Okay. I know it's a little depressing. I mean, it's full-time. Okay, it's always this way. Love you so much, guys. I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video, and love you. Bye-bye.